With GradeHub, educators have a smarter way to grade answer sheets, aka Scantrons, all within Canvas. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your GradeHub account in your Canvas instance. To get started, you'll need a Canvas admin login and a GradeHub account. To install the GradeHub plugin, log into your admin account in Canvas, then select Developer Keys, Account, and then select the blue Add Developer Key button. The next step is to fill out the key settings. We recommend that an admin user be the email, and then go to our help site to find the redirect URLs and the icon URL information. Now confirm your developer key has been created and is active. It should look something like this. Our next step is to log into your GradeHub admin account and initiate an OAuth 2 permission flow. Now that you're logged into your admin account, click Settings, then go down to My Organizations and click Settings again, and now we'll launch the integration window in GradeHub. Now let's fill out the Canvas LMS section. You can get the client ID and secret from the developer key you created earlier, and then fill out the URL field, which should be your own Canvas account. GradeHub uses OAuth to identify and authenticate a single admin user through which to programmatically manage and execute its Canvas integration activities. Select Authorize to proceed. The next step is to add GradeHub to your Canvas account. Search for GradeHub under Settings and select Add App. Now you're going to copy and paste the consumer key and shared secret you created earlier in GradeHub to the App dialog box. Select Add App and you're ready to go. With GradeHub, you effortlessly modernize testing with answer sheets and provide a service that's welcomed by instructors and students, all done within your Canvas account. If you need help, check out our support site. Thanks for signing up, and happy grading.